Hello everyone and welcome to Agape Love. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Please consider liking, subscribing, and posting a comment. I do love when you post a comment. If you have any prayer requests, we can definitely touch and agree together. I have 3 great scriptures for you today, and so let's get started. The Lord wants someone to know that He is still in the healing business. Don't give up. If you're believing God for your healing, for your deliverance, don't give up on your healing today. Let's get started with these 3 great scriptures. The first one is Jeremiah, the 30th chapter and the 17th verse. I will restore your health and I will heal your wounds, declares the Lord. Isaiah, the 36th chapter, the 16th and 17th verse. The Lord Most High is the one who gives life to every heart, who gives life to the spirit. Look, He indeed exchanged my bitterness for wholeness. You yourself have spared my whole being from the pit of destruction, because you have cast all my sin behind your back. Jeremiah, the 33rd chapter and the 6th verse. But now I will heal and mend them. I will make them whole and bless them with an abundance of peace and security. Hallelujah. We thank the Lord for the reading of His word. I do hope that you have a blessed day and a purpose-filled life, and know that I love you with that agape love.